Let's be honest, we have all spent hours scrolling through Pinterest and Instagram looking at the perfect style cozy home, wondering how do they do it. You look down at your floor and there it is, a mass-produced, uninspired rug you bought online that looked exactly like everyone else. But what if your floor could actually be a canvas for art? What if the first thing you feel touch in the morning wasn't just soft but full of texture, soul, and story? Welcome back, home decor lovers. Today we are diving into the ultimate interior design secret that is taking over Etsy and Shopify shops everywhere. Luxury handmade crochet floor mats. If you think crochet is just for your grandma blankets, think again. Get ready for some serious design inspiration because we are about to transform your space from basic to breathtaking. First up, let's talk about the absolute crowd pleaser, the boho chic mandalas. Look at the incredible textures on this circular mat by using thick premium cotton cord. These designs don't just sit on the floor, they pop. They bring an instant organic, earthy energy to a room. Imagine placing one of these right under a macrame plant hanger in your reading nook or as a statement piece in your entryway. To greet your guests, the best part because they are handmade, no two are exactly alike. It's literal piece of art for your floor. If you want that relaxed, I just want a vacation in Bali vibe, this is your go-to design. Now if your style leans a bit more sleek, clean and modern, don't worry. Crochet has an answer for you too. Check out those modern minimalist geometric mats who say crochet can't be edgy by using high contrast neutrals like deep charcoal, script screens and structured geometric stitches. These mats offers a stunning tactile element to minimalist spaces that mount to hardwood floors or industrial concrete without cluttering the visual field. They are perfect for besides giving your feet a cloud-like landing every morning or right in front of your kitchen sinks to make doing the dishes feel like a spa experience. Let's pivot to something incredibly sweet. If you are styling a nursery, a playroom, or just love a pop of whimsical color, look at these playful pastel designs. From fluffy cloud shapes to adorable animal motifs and soft rainbow arches, these mats are made with ultra soft, chunky t-shirt yarn. They are thick, incredible cushion, and most importantly for parents, durable. Instead of a bright, tactile plastic playmat, these crochet alternatives keep your child room looking creative and stylish while providing a super soft surface for tummy time or reading. They make the ultimate unforgettable baby shower gift. You might be asking yourself, why choose a handmade crochet mat over something